2018 Alfa Romeo 4C and 2018 Alfa Romeo 4C Spider with Alfa Romeo putting a majority of its time, effort, and focus into both the Giulia sports sedan and the Stelvio SUV. The company's sports car, the 4C, has been pushed into the shadows for the 2018 model year. It looks as if both the coupe and Spider variants will continue twiddling their thumbs, as the only changes involve available options. There are two changes for the 4C in 2018. An optional front fascia with carbon fiber vents is added, and the interior with black leather seats and yellow stitching is now offered on black, white, and basalt gray 4C models. Previously, the yellow stitching was only available on cars with Giallo prototypo, yellow, paint. Apparently, hyper-specific color coordination is not as important these days. To add the $1,500 yellow stitching requires the $2,000 leather upholstery, for a total upcharge of $3,500. 2018 Alfa Romeo 4C Spider. The rest of the 4C formula remains exactly the same: raw, balanced, light, and feel it in your chest. Stylish. A carbon fiber monocoque and an aluminum chassis keep the weight at bay, as the last 4C Spider we tested weighed just 2,504 pounds. The rear-wheel drive and mid-engine setup make for sublime handling, and power comes from a 237 horsepower turbocharged inline 4-cylinder utilizing a 6-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Our test car sprinted from 0 to 60 mph in only 4.2 seconds and hit the quarter mile in 12.9 seconds at 107 mph.